Welcome to one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in North America, Niagara Falls. Straddling the border between the United States and Canada, this iconic landmark attracts millions of visitors every year with its sheer power and beauty. Let's dive into some fascinating facts and must-see spots at this incredible destination. Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfall, it's actually a trio. The largest, Horseshoe Falls, sits on the Canadian side, while the American Falls and the smaller Bridal Veil Falls are on the US side. Together, they create one of the most powerful and mesmerizing water displays on Earth, with over 3,100 tons of water cascading down every second. One of the best ways to experience the falls up close is the famous Maid of the Mist boat tour. Since 1846, this tour has taken visitors right into the heart of the falls, where you can feel the thunderous roar and refreshing mist firsthand. If you prefer to stay dry, the journey behind the falls on the Canadian side offers an unforgettable view from tunnels carved into the rock. And when the sun sets, Niagara Falls transforms into a magical spectacle. Every night the falls are illuminated with vibrant, changing colors, creating a dazzling display that's perfect for photos. And don't forget the fireworks show held on select nights, lighting up the sky above the falls. Beyond the falls, there's plenty to explore. In Canada, Clifton Hill is a lively area packed with restaurants, museums, and attractions. On the US side, Niagara Falls State Park offers scenic trails and stunning overlooks. And for a panoramic view, head to the Skylon Tower, where you can dine with a breathtaking 360-degree view of the falls. Niagara Falls isn't just a tourist destination, it's a true wonder of nature. Whether you're here for the adventure, the views, or just to take in its raw power, it's an experience you won't forget. So, have you been to Niagara Falls? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel facts from World in Minutes. See you in the next video.